Eating healthy but still bloated. Here's why. Feeling bloated after healthy foods is common. High fiber foods like vegetable, fruits and beans take time to digest. Eating too fast, overeating or combining foods poorly can cause weak digestion and stress also play a role. Healthy food help long-term health, but your gut need time to adjust. Eat slowly, chew well and avoid overeating to reduce bloating.